We're going to look at the evolution of automation with AI. Think of it as a video game with levels. What we have right now is the basic rule-based automation stage. Think of it like the first level. You can only go as far as the rules allow you to go. So if you're trying to automate something very specific, it can be done. But if you try to push it beyond that, it won't work. The next stage is called expert systems and smart automation. This is where things start to get a little more interesting. You can use natural language processing and computer vision to do things like read an email and extract data from it, or look at an image and tell what it is. This is the equivalent of the second level in the game. It's a little more challenging, but it's still relatively easy compared to the next level, which is machine learning integration. This is where things start to get really interesting, because now you can use AI to learn from data and make predictions. For example, you could use machine learning to predict customer churn or product returns. This is the equivalent of the third level in our game. It's much more difficult, but the possibilities are really endless. The next level is the deep learning revolution, or autonomous operations. This is where we start to see AI taking over more and more tasks from humans, driving cars, diagnosing diseases. This is the equivalent of the fourth level in our game. It's at this level that AI really starts to become invaluable. The fifth and final level is autonomous intelligence. This is where AI becomes truly general and can perform any intellectual task that a human can. This is the ultimate level, the fifth level of our video game. It's also the level that we're heading towards, but it's not quite there yet. We're still a few years away from this happening. But here's the thing. As each new technology emerges, it doesn't make the previous technologies obsolete. They all coexist. So as we move into the deep learning revolution, that doesn't mean that the previous technologies are no longer needed. They're still needed, but they're augmented by the new technology. So as we move into the future, we'll see more and more of these different technologies coexisting and working together. And this will continue until we reach the point where AI is truly general and can do anything that a human can do. At that point, I think we'll reach the final level of our video game. Now, there's a lot of debate about whether or not this is actually possible, whether or not we'll ever reach that final level. But I think it's something to keep in mind as we move into the future. The pace of technological change is accelerating, and so it's important to be aware of the potential that's on the horizon. What do you think? Is this possible? Will we ever reach that final level? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.